With the SOS feature, you can quickly and easily call for help and alert your emergency contacts. This feature is available on most Apple devices, including iPhone and iPad. iPhone 14 users can also use SOS to text emergency services via satellite when cellular and Wi-Fi coverage is not available. However, some users may experience issues with their iPhone being stuck in SOS mode. This video will explain how to solve iPhone stuck in SOS mode with MagFone iOS system recovery. Step 1. Connect iPhone to MagFone software. First, plug your iPhone into your computer by using a USB cable. Then open MagFone iOS system recovery on the computer and enter the iOS system repair mode. On the next screen, click the Start button. Step 2. Select Standard mode to fix iOS issues. There are 2 repair mode, and you can choose Standard repair. If your device is detected by the software, you can go to the next step. If not, you have to put your device into recovery mode or DFU mode by following the on-screen instruction. Step 3. Download the firmware package for iPhone. You need to carefully check the device information, including device model and model number, shown on the screen. After selecting the firmware version, you can click the Download button to download the latest iOS firmware package. Step 4. Start to fix iPhone stuck in SOS mode. After the firmware package has been downloaded to the computer, you can click the Start Standard Repair button. MagFone software will unzip the firmware and help you get your iPhone out of SOS mode. Keep your device connected to the computer. Conclusion. That's all. Hope that you can fix iPhone stuck in SOS mode after trying the above steps. Try MagFone iOS system, fix this issue as soon as possible. Look, you don't have to wait anymore. Go to install the trial version and have a try now.